Namaste everyone. Our today's video will be focused on sciatica nerve pain. I was receiving many inquiries from you regarding this topic. So today I have come to give you some treatment to cure this pain. First will be based on yoga, which asana can give you relief from this pain. Second point, I will be sharing with you some of home food, superfoods, which you can add if you have such kind of intense pain. In third point, I will be sharing with you some of the home remedies which you can also use in order to get relief from this pain. What is this sciatica pain? Actually, sciatica pain is connected to the lower back, which is a common issue at today's time. This pain starts from the lower back and all the way goes down to the hips, down to the back knee, and all the way down to the lower leg, to sole of the foot. Sometimes this pain is very intense that people cannot even walk, stand, or cannot even sit. The simple movement also becomes very hard for them, due to which many people suffer a lot. So today I'm giving you some solution which can give you quick relief if you have intensive sciatica pain. That's why I'm focusing on 3 treatments together. So let's start the video and understand this topic closely. How this pain originates. Because if you understand how the problem starts, you can be cautious and you can be aware next time so that you are not entering to some situation which gives you such kind of pain. Sciatica is one type of nerve in our body which is one of the longest nerve. Starts from the lower back, goes all the way down to the sole of the foot. In most of the cases, when sciatica nerve is pinched, when it is pressed at the lower back area, then because of this pressure you get that current in your entire nerve, and sometimes this current goes to the knee, buttocks. Sometimes you get this numbness to the legs, and all the one side of the area is fully affected by this pain. Major area of the pain is lower back till the knee. And what is the cause of this pinched nerve? Many reasons it can be. Due to stiffness on the lower back, it can be not having regular enough movement to the lower back, you are stiff. It can be that in the gym or in heavy weight lifting, you pressed yourself too much or you lift heavy weight quickly. Sometimes bulging disc, when the disc between the vertebrae are dislocated, there they start pressing this nerve, and that pain sensation starts at the lower back and goes all the way down to the leg. That is why it is very important to keep your lower back healthy. Disc is a cushion structure in your spine. Disc is created by the nature so that your two bones, they are not coming together and stuck and rubbing each other. This disc between the vertebrae works as a cushion. It is a shock absorber. So if you are running, jumping, or lifting heavy weight in any kind of active exercise, disc helps you observe the weight and keep the nerves safe. But in many cases, when you do some exercise quickly, this disc is slipped out and it starts pinching the nerves, due to which you are having such kind of pain. Let's first understand what exercise you should do when you are having sciatica nerve pain. The first asana is Utthita Tadasana. You first separate the legs hips width apart. In some cases, when you feel that the pain is very sharp, the legs can be separate more than hips width apart also. After that, you bend your knees and now you slightly roll the buttocks downward. This is how. I want you to create the space on the lower back. Once you roll the buttocks down, you start slowly straightening the legs. Once the legs are straight, you will take deep inhale, start lifting the hands up first. Inhale, raise the hands and stretch your entire body. Then slowly lift your heels up. Make sure your buttocks are rolled down. With exhalation, you come down. Now once again, next round. Bend your knees, roll the buttocks, straight your leg. Inhale, raise your arms. Then stretch the entire body, raise the heels up. Stay here for a few seconds, then exhale down. This one you will do first at least 7 to 10 movements. After this, the second movement, stand on the left leg, bend your knees, grab the ankle from the back And now start bringing the heel as close as possible to the buttocks, which will stretch your thighs area, which is very important. This flexibility on the quads will help you to release the stress on the back. So you will just simply press the heel to the buttocks. If you want, you can hold with both hands together and start pressing the buttocks here. And you will stay here at least for 5 to 7 seconds. Then you release simply down. Same you will do other side. Not to urge the back too much. You will keep the buttocks same as I told you in Tadasana position. Right side, left side is 1 round. You will do 3 to 5 rounds this exercise also. Each time 3 to 5 breath. If you have time, you can stay in each movement. The third movement, you need a chair and 1 belt to do this exercise. Sit edge of the chair at the corner, spread the legs. First, you will start that leg, which side you have pain. For example, left side you are having sharp pain. So you extend your left leg, take a belt, Paschimottanasana on chair. First, bring the belt here on the sole of the foot. Extend it. Right leg will remain same with bending, spine straight. You will take inhale, you pull the belt backward and you start lifting the chest up and look up. As you exhale, you will start bringing the elbow backward and slowly go half down. This, just a little bit half. You're not going completely downward, just a little bit half. This. Again, inhale, you come back. Understand this exercise very carefully. I'm not bending my spine. See here, I'm not making curve. I'm maintaining the extension of my spine and just allowing the back leg to stretch in this exercise. After I finish this, other side. Each side you can do 5 to 7 rounds, same movement. Now if you want to do more deeper, you will lift your leg up. Inhale, you lift the leg up. Just 90 degrees. And those who can maintain the straight spine, they can lift the leg a little higher also. This. Exhale all the way down. This. Without rolling the spine, it's the best exercise that you can use to release the stress from the back and to open the back leg completely. Same with the right side. Third practice is Setu Bandhasana. You will lie down. First, bend your knees here. Separate the legs more than hips width apart. Press the heel more than the toes. Toes will be lifted up. Keep your hands a little bit open to the sideways. You press the heels. You first lift the buttocks. See what I'm doing here. With inhalation, you lift the buttock all the way. Then when you lift the buttock, then you press the heel to lift entire chest up. You don't need to lift too much higher. Little bit. Exhale will be all the way from upper spine to the lower spine. You are going downward. Hands will remain down on the floor. I'm lifting my hands because I want you to see this movement. Now again, inhale, press the heel. First buttocks goes up. Now all the way spine. Exhale, upper spine to lower spine down. 7 to 10 movements like this. If possible, you can bring the heel as close as possible and just lift the chest like this. See here. You just lift the chest, create the gentle urge on the lower back, and you stay at least for 5 deep breaths. Last asana, Uttana Padasana. The leg which side you're not having pain, that leg will come up. For example, if you have a left side sciatica pain, you lift your right leg higher. This. Inhale, see here. Leg up, leg up. You will lift the leg that much up where you feel that your lower back is now touched to the floor. You will not lift the leg too much up where this leg is also bending. No, just simply you lift this leg up. Left leg will be extended. Exhale will be down. If you feel that this is too much, you can do same movement with bending this leg. So this foot pressure will help you to lift your opposite leg up. This. Inhale up. Stretch the toes downward and heels upward, which will allow the back leg to stretch nicely. Exhale, down. Few movements like this. Same with the left. Inhale, up, see this side. I'm not lifting too much up. I'm just bringing the leg up. Once I feel that this buttock is also lifting, I'm keeping this leg, stop. And exhale all the way down. Few movements like this way. You will lie down and relax in, which is Supta Baddha Konasana. 1 minute with a deep inhalation and exhalation, you will rest in this pose. After completing the asana practice, let's understand what are the superfood which can also give additional benefit in this pain and give additional cure to your body when you are having such kind of intense inflammation in your joints or intense pain in the nerve. First thing which can help you in this pain is adding anti-inflammatory food in your daily diet. Anti-inflammatory food helps you a lot in reducing pain. First anti-inflammatory food which you should regularly eat, that is ginger. 1 teaspoon crushed ginger you will put in a hot water, and during the day twice after food if you will take regularly, which can give you deep relief and relaxes the muscles, inner muscles and the joints as well. Second superfood that you should add is turmeric. The main compound curcumin which is found in turmeric is very powerful anti-inflammatory agent which is very helpful in sciatica nerve pain. First option, if you are the person who can drink milk, so this is the best option. You take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, add in lukewarm milk, and before you sleep after food every day drink this milk. But if you are a person who doesn't want to drink milk, you can use also the water. You can take a lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon and nicely mix it, and every night before you sleep you can take. If you want this turmeric to be absorbed by your body faster, you can also add black pepper in it. 2 to 3 seeds of black pepper you crush, mix nicely and intake this water. Also add green leaf vegetable in your regular diet, because green leaf vegetable contain many important minerals, many vitamins which are very helpful for keeping your nerve healthy. You can use them as a salad, raw. You can also make a smoothie. At today's time there are many green smoothies which are very powerful for nerve health. Regularly intake this. Berries also have anti-inflammatory compounds, so these berries are also very helpful for reducing the nerve pain. It works as a shield. It works as a cover for your body to protect you from such kind of inflammation. There are few berries which are very powerful in this. Blackberry, strawberry, blueberry are very powerful in during inflammation of the joint and nerves. One thing is very important and very beneficial in sciatica nerve pain, that is omega-3 fatty acid. But to get omega-3 fatty acid for vegetarian people are quite hard. For non-vegetarian, fish is the best option. But for vegetarian, not many food contain good amount and good quality of omega-3 fatty acid. But 2 seeds are very beneficial in this, which has a rich omega-3 fatty acid. First is flaxseed, second is walnut, which can give you good quality of omega-3. Every morning after breakfast or during the breakfast you can add these seeds, which can give you this powerful component to your body to keep your nerve healthy. Now let's understand some of the home remedies that you can also use during the pain. So the first very important treatment which can give you quick relief, Epsom salt bath, also known as Sendha salt, is a very important treatment during the inflammation, joint pain, intense sharp nerve pain. Put salt in warm water and lie down and relax completely for 15 to 20 minutes. Can give you complete relief and remove all the stiffness out from the joints and the muscles. Once the stiffness will go out, it release all the stress out from the body. Nerve pressure also get released out automatically. Before you go to bed, this Epsom salt 15 to 20 minutes can really helpful in this. Regular intake of ashwagandha can give you complete deep result in this pain. It is not only working for pain, it is for overall health. Regular intake of ashwagandha also balances the doshas in your body and also keep your inner organs healthy. There are 2 oil massage which can be very beneficial in nerve pain. First is castor oil massage, second is sesame oil massage. Take 1 bowl of lukewarm these 2 oil. If you want, you can mix them also, and gently start massaging the area of the lower back from where the pain is starting and all the way from the buttocks down to the sole of the foot. Nicely, if you massage for 5 to 10 minutes with a gentle thumb or with complete hand, it will really give you relief from this pain. Now understand few tips that I want to give you if you want this pain to go completely out from the body. First of all, reduce the weight. Sometimes if someone is having heavy weight, it creates lots of pressure on the back, because most of the time our lower back is carrying the weight of the body while you sit, while you stand. Even when you are lying down, most of the pressure comes to the center of the body, to the lower back. And because regular pressure in the lower back, if you're having, it creates tension to the disc. And later, if you do some kind of exercise which you are not regular to, automatically disc can slip out. So reducing weight can be the best option for you if you don't want this problem to happen. Second tip, do not sit in one position for a longer period of time, and especially those who are not regular to any kind of physical exercise. For example, some people, those who are in office work, spend a lot of time in front of the computer and chair. Such people also can get sciatica nerve pain or lower back pain easily. So I would suggest you to give break every 15 minutes and do some kind of stretching, regular stretching, which I already explained to you. The third is regular exercise. The regular exercise, if you do, your muscles will be relaxed, your joints will be flexible, so you will not get such kind of discomfort again and again. These were the few tips for sciatica nerve pain. I believe you understood this video. Please share to others and help them if they are suffering from such kind of deep, intense pain. Again, I will see you with next video. Till then, namaste, take care.